Hey guys, Akil Stokes here. I want to take a little bit of a break from the currency and the TradingView tutorial videos that I've been doing and show you an opportunity that we've been looking at on the Dow Jones here. I'm going to start on the daily real quick just to show you what we've been doing. Dow Jones has basically been in a retracement. I apologize. My phone is still on, getting all the beeps and whatnot. It's a normal thing, unfortunately. And we started to consolidate right around a previous level of structure. Now you can see that our structure shelf does end up being a little bit lower. So there is a potential to continue even further to the downside. And what we've recently done here in the 4 hour is this. We've put in this beautiful formation where price action has come down, beautiful long-legged, long-wicked candle to the downside here. This is a rejection candle. So even though it's red, we look at it as being a bullish candle because the story shows us that the bears did push it down. But by the time the session ended, the bulls were able, or the buyers were able to fight off that area and reject them and really close in the upper third of that candle. We then get a little bit of a retracement off of that. And then we come down, we do it again, right? The bears make a second chance at pushing it down, get a little bit further this time, but then the bulls ultimately fight them off. And then the bears do it again, right? We push them down, the same thing, and we get rejected and we fight them off. And I remember a long time ago, I used to see this as a very strong bullish move where I would see the bulls won the battle once, the bulls won the battle twice, the bulls won the battle thrice, right? This thing is a major level of structure. We're going to push up to the upside. But years of experience in the market and really a better understanding of technicals over the last 16, 17 years or whatnot has given me a different perspective on this. And I look at more of the full part of the story. And here's what I see. I see the bears pushing down. I see the bulls pushing up, rejecting it, and making a pretty significant push. I then see the bears trying again, the bulls smacking them in the face and winning again, and making another significant push. I see the bears fighting one more time and the bulls pushing them up. Now, the thing is, each time the bulls have pushed them up, the buyers have pushed them up, they've gained less and less momentum. So they've been able to push them 10 feet, and they've been able to push them 7 feet. Now they've been able to push them 4 feet, right? At the same time, the bears have still maintained the same amount of strength in pushing them to the downside. And what this typically leads to is the bulls or buyers giving up, saying, you know what? We fought this level off this many times. We're not gaining anything from it. Let's just give up and fall back and fight another day. And we typically see a breakout to the downside. So what I'm looking for here on the Dow Jones is a potential bearish breakout to the downside. There's two ways to handle this. One, if you're aggressive, you can position yourself prior to the breakout. So if you're really anticipating a breakout, you can look to establish a position while the market is in here. We have this kind of high water mark as our last retracement. That you can hide your stops above, because if that is broken or violated, that throws the whole theory off. Or of course, you can take more of a conservative approach where you're looking for confirmation of the break and either a trade at the break or waiting for a pullback and a trade back lower. But either way, I have a bearish expectation here on the Dow. If we do continue lower, we have a nice, sexy piece of structure right here, a level of structure right here that I think we can go for, and wanted to share the ideas with you. As always, hit that like button. Follow if you're not following already. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your ideas, please do so in the comment section below. I do read each and every one of them. All right. Enjoy the rest of your trading day, the rest of your trading week. And until next time, plan your trade, trade your plan. Take care.